Today we're gonna take a look into his strategy for the 1 minute scalping. We are using it on the BTC USDT, he used it on the Euro USDT. And let's find out how good it is on the 1 minute chart. For this strategy we are going to need 3 indicators. It's going to be the braid filter of mango to juice. You're gonna add that one. That's our main indicator. We are gonna use the ADX to check if there's a current trend going on, and we only scalp on the current trend. And we are gonna use the CM_EMA. That's purely a moving average which colorizes if you are in an uptrend or if you are in a downtrend. It's of Chris Moody. So if you go to the settings of the EMA, we change the uptrend to 28 based on the strategy. On the braid filter you don't have to change anything. I only turn off the background. And on the ADX you don't have to set anything. The only thing that I've done is placing a horizontal line right here with Alt-H, or with a tool with a horizontal line like that. But yeah, just drag it on the 20 and you should be fine like that. And the point is that you want it to be on the 20 is that we are only trading if this line is above the 20 level. So that's why it's important to have a line there or something like visualization. Otherwise you always have to check with your mouse what the current value is. For the braid filter, it shows you 3 colors, but of course the red one and the green one is the important one for us. We are waiting for a bar to switch color. So it might be from gray to green or red to green, but it should be turning towards red or towards green. Gray area is a dead area, we are not using it. And it only gets a color when it's above the blue line. So that's why it turns green right here. So you are going above the EMA right there, it's green. This one is green as well. So you have 2 confirmations for a long position, but your ADX is still underneath the 20 level. So we are gonna wait a while. So right here it went gray again, and right here where it went green, the ADX is pointing up, which is important. It should not point down, it is going up. We are above the EMA, and this one turned green, so 3 confirmations, and that is where we can take a long position. We do it on the last swing low, we do that times 1.5, like that. Our last swing low is right here. We just made one with a huge candle. You can place it wherever you would like it, but I think if it's a candle like this, I just place it just underneath that candle. But that's personal, you will still have hit it if you place it underneath the wick, but that's all up to you. Alright, here we have a short entry. We have a red candle, it's underneath the EMA. The braid filter turned red with a strong bar, and the ADX is going up and it's above the 20 level. So this will be a valid short position. Place your order after the candle close. On the last swing high, I will do it there, times 1.5. And that's a nice scalp of 1%. On the 1 minute chart, really good. So that's the strategy. I'm going to backtest this one 100 times now, and I'll see you back after. If you also want to use BYBIT like us and get up to $600 in reward, the link is down in the description below. We help you out and you help us out as well. Link is down in the description. So after doing 100 backtests in only 9 days on a 1 minute chart, we had a gain on account of 11%. In my opinion, it's really good for the 1 minute chart. With the 1% leverage fill up, you would have had 35%. Keep in mind, I do not include commissions in here because that is different in each exchange/broker. But still, you would have had a nice profit. Yeah, nice strategy. My best 1 minute strategy until now, next to the 3 EMA stochastic. But the gain on account is higher on this one because the positions that you take are a bit higher. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe, and if you liked it, please leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.